So today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can get to share your own ideas, strategy, market insights, and also get to connect with traders, analysts, or also developers. It is a community that has a session for any financial market to trade, be it the stock market or the crypto market or the commodity market. To be part of this community, make sure you do well to visit investsocial.com. Starting with this trend right here on GBPUSD, we can clearly see that GBPUSD is in an uptrend move. This is our trend right here on GBPUSD. We are trending to the upside. So market is literally giving us the movement to the upside. If you have to zoom it in right here, guys, we are this high and market was able to give us an higher low, which formed an higher low. Market then was able to give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, which is a pullback. Now with this pullback, which is an higher low, market was able to, we had to expect market to eventually push up again to form a new higher high. So this high right here is what we had to expect GBPUSD to actually give us. We had to expect GBPUSD to push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So if you had to see right here, a bullish move is what we have to expect on GBPUSD. So we have to expect GBPUSD to literally push up to clear this high right here, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we have to expect right for the day on GBPUSD. Now guys, if you have to zoom it out a bit, market was able to push up and now we've gotten a pullback right here. So we have to expect market to eventually push up one more time. That means we are to head to a level of 1.36750. So 1.36750 is what we are to expect GBPUSD to actually hit, push up to smash. So we are to expect it to give us a bullish move. See, it is able to hit a level of 1.36750. That should be about 33 pips, which is which is not bad, by the way. So we have to expect a bullish move, a buy to a level of 1.36350 for the day. If in case there will be changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So if you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com.